In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to govern custom metrics volumes in Datadog. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in the product to understand which custom metrics are driving volume, how to spot spikes, and how to use that insight to keep costs and cardinality under control without guesswork. Start by opening Datadog in your browser and signing into the correct organization and region for your environment. It sounds simple, but governance data is only meaningful when you're looking at the right context, so make sure you're in the account that actually receives the metrics you care about. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and click Metrics. This is the hub for everything related to your time series, including browsing, analyzing, and reviewing metadata. Think of it as your entry point for understanding both the shape of your data and the scale of what you're ingesting. From there, click Explorer. The Explorer is where you typically investigate metric behavior over time. It's a powerful workspace for graphs and queries, but for governance work, like identifying which custom metrics contribute most to your volume, you'll pivot into a higher level view that inventories your metrics and their characteristics. Next, click Summary. The summary view gives you a catalog of your metrics with helpful context such as type and tags. This is where the notion of custom metrics matters most. These are metrics you or your services submit, often with business or application context. They're valuable, but they can grow quickly if not monitored. Now click Volume. This is the heart of governance. The Volume tab shows you how much data each metric is producing, helping you identify top contributors and abrupt changes in ingestion. Use this view to spot high cardinality patterns, like metrics with many unique tag combinations, which can multiply volume. It's especially useful for distribution or count metrics that can expand rapidly when tags proliferate. As you review, focus on outliers and trends. Metrics that suddenly jump in volume often signal a deployment change, a new tag added at runtime, or an overly granular dimension slipping into production. Sustained high volume on a metric might be intentional, but it should have a clear owner and purpose. If not, it's a candidate for simplification. Turn these insights into governance guardrails. Align on naming conventions, limit unnecessary tags, and document which teams own which high-volume metrics. Before you trim or change anything, remember that dashboards and alerts may depend on these series, so coordinate changes and validate safely. That's it. Open Datadog, go to Metrics, head into Explorer, switch to Summary, and review volume. With this path, you'll consistently see where your custom metric volume is coming from and make informed decisions that keep your observability effective and sustainable.